Hey y'all, welcome to my YouTube channel. In this video I'm about to show you how you can fix crashing in WWE 2k23 game that is very awesome, but unfortunately you can't play the game because it's crashing. This is a very painful experience. I'm gonna share with you what have worked for me and what I hope is gonna work for you as well. Make sure you leave your results in the comment section and subscribe for daily tutorials. I really love creating tutorials for you, so I really appreciate if you subscribe and leave your results in the comment section. Now I can't guarantee, that's the disclaimer, obviously I can't guarantee this will work. It's just that what I've tested myself, and I know it worked for a lot of people, but for others didn't work. So now without talking too much, elaborating into them too long intros, I'm not trying to make this video too long. Now let's just jump right into the video. So what you have to do to fix this problem usually is related to your Windows, and that's what at least now there are obviously multiple other reasons, but what you have to do is just to make sure you check for updates and then head over to advanced options and then optional updates, and here make sure you click on driver updates and make sure you install the latest driver that you need in order to run any game. And also make sure you go to GeForce Experience and here you install the latest driver. Now make sure you click on drivers and here click on download, click on check for updates and click on download. That's pretty much what you have to do. I hope this video helped you and thank you for watching and take care.